How to find and remove duplicate photos on Android quickly. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to find and remove duplicate photos on your Android device. Let's just get started. First thing first, open up Settings menu on your device. Once Settings is open, you need to find your storage. For that, scroll down here until you find Digital Wellbeing, and right below that you have your device care. Here, go over to your storage, and once you're on your storage section, what you need to do next is find the duplicate files option down below. So just go ahead and tap on duplicate files right here. It's going to show you. As you can see here, you can find all these duplicate files that your phone has. You just select one of them to delete. So the one that has a 1 on parentheses at the end of the name, that is usually the copy of your original file. So you can just select the copy and easily uninstall or remove it from your device. So just select any one of them. Now just go ahead and tap on delete at the bottom. I tap on delete again and it's gonna be deleted from your gallery as well. And that's how you successfully delete duplicate photos from your Android. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.